How to sign up in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're wondering how to get started with Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade, then here's how you do it. First of all, download the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your mobile device or your tablets from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Launch the game open, and once it does, you'll see this kind of an interface. From here, select the sign up option and then enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. Now, head over to the next field and create a password for your account. Once you do that, click on this agree button at the bottom and click next. Now go ahead and check your email inbox for the link. Open up your email service provider's inbox and open up the email from Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade and click on verify my email. Now once you are done with it, you'll be able to sign up successfully. Click on OK and you'll be inside the game. Tap on the middle of the screen to start. Select your servers list. Click confirm and wait for the game to load. Now you can complete the tutorial battles and start exploring the world of Jujutsu sorcerers. So that's how you easily sign up for Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.